welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living. Today I've got a spend the day with me day in the life type of video for you. I had a bit of a chilled day this day, so I thought I'd film and get a bit of content for you because my weeks have been quite hectic with it being nearly the end of term. In the UK, we're coming up to the summer holidays, and that means there's quite a lot of stuff going on at school, like sports days, school discos. My daughter had a performance. It's just one thing after another. Do you have children in school in the UK? Or even anywhere, anywhere in the world? Is that last few weeks as hectic for you as it is for me? I believe at Christmas, oh my goodness, the few weeks leading up to Christmas is hectic. Anyway, back to the summer. Let's stop talking about Christmas now. We had a really hot day this day, so I was making use of it, getting all my washing out because I just can't stand putting towels and things in the tumble dryer. The tumble dryer on my smart meter and the shower, oh my goodness, uses so much energy. My daughter calls me the electric police because when she's in the shower, I'm like, hurry up, not too long. I also made a faux pas this day. Instead of putting my son's school polo top in with the stain remover, I put it in with the bleach pile of things that needed bleaching. And the reason I was bleaching his top was to get sun cream out. And everyone, oh my goodness, if you know, you know, sun cream mixed with bleach goes pink. It goes pink. Oh, when I first done this, I panicked. I put a picture on Instagram and asked anyone, how can I get this out? And one lady said, put it out in the sunshine. It stains the UV, just gets rid of it. So here I am showing you the top. Look at it. That's what happens. I couldn't believe it. It went in the wrong pile. It was meant to just go in with the Ace stain remover because sun cream does a number on the school tops. It just stains them yellow. It's horrid. And I ain't buying any new ones, not this close to the end of term. So I'm laying it out here in the sunshine and I will show you it a bit later once it's been out for a little while. Yeah, look. Clothes on the line. Is there a better sight? I don't think so. I'm also bleaching my voile today. I cannot stand a yellowing voile or net curtain. It's no. It gives me the ick. I don't like it. So I bleached these. Oh, I'm getting it stuck on the wire. Bane of my life. Yep, so we bleach these, bleach them just in cold water, leave them in the sink I do for about half an hour, just soak in, bleach in, and it brings them up lovely. We've lived in our house for 14 years and I've never had to replace this voile, so the bleach hasn't ruined the fabric or anything. Obviously, if you have net curtains, be wary. Don't take me as gospel. You know, this is what I do. I'm not saying you should do it too. And here I am sorting out the seasonal box. We have all our winter clothes and sunglasses and things in here. And just the other day, my son, because all the winter stuff is on top, he just piled it out just to find a pair of sunglasses. So I thought, right, let's swap them around so that we can sort this out and get it all in order. And I didn't realise how many woolly hats we have. We have loads and loads of woolly hats. And my son has loads and loads of caps. He doesn't even wear woolly hats, really. Didn't get that cold here last year in the winter. They're my husband's wetsuit shoes. As I've said in a previous video, we live in Cornwall, so weaver fish are a real issue. So we don't want to be weavered. We wear wetsuit shoes on the beach. And back to my son's hats. Yes, he's known as like the one that wears the caps all the time. Even his headmistress is like, oh, different cap today. Like everyone knows. And she was like, yeah, you've got a different cap on. And he was like, yeah. And she was like, how many do you own? And I was like, about 22. I'm not even lying. Here we go. I'll show you a little snapshot of his caps. We had to buy something to hang them on. That's how many he's got. It's crazy. But he loves them. He wears them in the winter. I went to the library this day. They had a free book stand, so I got 2 books off it. The others didn't interest me. This one's for me, and I got one for my son. And yeah, free books at the library. They used to sell them for 10p, but apparently they can't be seen as making a profit, so they have to give them away. Well, I'm very, very happy with that. And this is a charity shop haul that I wanted to show. It wasn't from this day, but I just wanted to show it. These were 3 for £1, and I got these 2. The first 2 as gifts. And the last one, the hardback, I'm keeping for myself. And it's beautiful. The hardback's beautiful. The pages have a design on them, on the edges. I'll show you in a moment so you know what I mean. But I just think it's a very beautiful book. Love it. Look at that. I love that. And yeah, so I was really impressed with that. £1 for those 3, 2 for the gift stash. Here I am back to rinsing out the voile. It must have been about half an hour later. And just giving it a good rinse. You should use gloves when using bleach, so do as I say, not as I do. I do not like the smell of bleach. I'm trying to give it a good rinse. It goes in the wash by itself, and then I put a white wash on in the washing machine after, so I'm not too fussed about, not getting all the bleach out with the rinse. And yeah, I can already see how white it's come up there, so I'm really happy. I'm throwing it in the washing machine here with a good dollop of washing powder, and I put it on for an extra rinse just to doubly make sure, get rid of that bleachy smell. And now back to the summer, not the summer top, the school top, out in the sunshine. And look, the sun has worked, got rid of the pink. I'm turning it over here because obviously there's still some pink on the back. But yeah, who would have thought? I never knew this. Never knew it. Really impressed. And now I'm putting up the voile again. I put the voile up wet. It dries within a few minutes and it just stops any creases or anything. So just put it up wet. And look, how much better does that look? I love it. It just feels so fresh and clean, bit of breeze. Look at that sunshine. It was a glorious, scorching day this day. Lovely. Perfect for getting your washing done and your bleaching. And now here is what I'm cooking for tea. I'm going to do a mini fry up because I have some mushrooms that need using desperately, and everyone will eat it. My son won't eat the mushrooms, but there's enough here to go around for everybody. And while I'm cooking tea, I'm going to play a bit of music and save my voice a little bit, and I'll see you in a minute. I went to put the beans in the microwave here, and when I opened it, I found a cup of tea. A tea I put in there to heat up because I forgot about it earlier, and yeah, just found it again. Great. That's me. Bit of a brain fart there. I'm putting tinfoil on my husband's tea here because he's not due home from work for about another 5 to 10 minutes, and I didn't want it to get really cold. So I'll just put a bit of tinfoil on his, and here we have it. This was tea that night. Used up the mushrooms. Can't go wrong with a mini fry up. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.